Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to set up summing amplifier in Tinkercad, and we can simulate using this. Go to create circuit. So first we need operational amplifier. Then we need 4 resistors. And we need 2 power supply. We need 4 oscilloscopes. We need 3 function generators. So we will set up the circuit. So this is our circuit. So we have to I connect 2 power supply, one of the power supply negative pin to another power supply is positive pin, that will make the ground pin. So I connect 3 function generator through the resistor to inverting input. Then I connect the non-inverting input through the resistor to output. I connect non-inverting input to the ground. So this is our circuit. Before moving that, we have to set the values. We need 15 voltage power supply. Then I need 0.1 second. That means 100 milliseconds. Okay. This also same. This also same. This also same. I need resistors value should be same because the gain should be this one resistance divided by this one resistance for this function, same like other functions also. So if I keep this every resistance same, the gain will be unity. That means gain will be 1. So I select this one to 10 Hz. Need this 2 peak to peak voltage. That then this one to 0. I need sine wave. This one also same like that. 10 Hz. 2 peak to peak voltage. 0 sine wave. Zero sine wave. So according to a setup, this one 2 peak to peak sine wave, rest of the signal also same. So our output should be 6 peak to peak sine wave. So check with this simulation. So go to start simulation. Just zoom this one. This one for total 4 voltage. So this one is 2 peak to peak voltage sine wave. So this one also same. This one also same. So check the output signal. So this one should be total 10 voltage. So 1, 2, 3. So 3 means 6 peak to peak 6 voltage sine wave. So according to our setup, the amplifier summing the signal. So this is the way to make summing amplifier in Tinkercad. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.